38 years ago, Chernobyl's Jupiter factory had a deadly incident resulting in lifelong consequences. Fatalities and livelihoods lost, a whole city left in ruins and never to be inhabited again. We explore a family's personal experience of the crisis, conveying the destructive and inhumane nature of nuclear activity in society. We hope to confront that the modern world still hasn't learned from the fatal events of Chernobyl while encouraging a nuclear-free world.
Не колишуться віти, вітерець верболозах заснув, десь заграла плакуча гітара.
Casualties are currently unknown after the recent explosion of Chernobyl's number 4 RBMK reactor just 3 days ago, April 28. Evacuations are underway in the Soviet Union's city of Pripyat.
one eye on the winter. Did I conjure up that cold? I've got friends in the far north, and should have had that mystery solved. Are we wide awake? Is the world aware? Radiation over Red Square, creeping on to cross Roman road, severe freezing in the Soviet snow. One eye on the winter. Oh, there's just a hint of Soviet snow. We need something to keep the chill from freezing. Our own free will we're teasing at war like children. Love is that one solution. Seeing ourselves inside out. Enemies need for shelter. Same winter wind that's blowing deep down inside. We know we've all got one eye on the winter. Oh, we need something to keep the chill from freezing. Our free will we're teasing at war like children. Love is the one solution. Seeing ourselves inside out. Enemies need for shelter. Same winter wind that's blowing deep down inside. We know.
An inspiring piece from St. Mary's College. And I'll get the team leaders, Emily and Molly, up here to join me to talk more about it. Hi girls, how do you feel about that?
So good.
Can you tell us more about the message and the themes behind that performance that we just saw?
Well, we chose Chernobyl because it's such a significant event that so many people lost their lives, their families, their whole livelihood got turned upside down. So we really wanted to showcase that today, and we did that through our family, which you saw, especially our lead girl. She really made it that we could see through this young woman's eyes, as many of us in this cast were. So really incredible.
And the message we wanted to show from the story was that it's been 38 years and we haven't changed. There's been so many significant nuclear disasters since, and unless we learn from our mistakes, history is just going to keep on repeating for people like our lead protagonist. But we also wanted to show the little bit of hope that came from it, and the community kind of bonded together in solidarity to make them, to get through the dark time.
Huge topic to tackle as well. Yeah, well done. And you would have seen your peers, students step up and show great leadership throughout your performances.
While we did have the support of our amazing teachers, it was created and produced by our amazing students. We had an amazing production team of like 10, 11 students, and they worked so hard to bring this concept to life through their technologies.
But of course, our students that was in this cast were incredible. Their hard work, many, many hours of work, both at school, at home, and yeah, we just couldn't have done it without our beautiful cast.
But also Molly and I feel like we've really grown as leaders throughout this experience, from all our 8 o'clock morning rehearsals in the dance studio with a lot of coffee to our like endless to-do lists. And we're so proud of what we've created, especially coming from a school with not such a big performing arts background. So we're super proud of what we've accomplished.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, girls. Are we going to see you back here next year? Awesome. Can't wait. Thank you so much.